Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a student and you are tired to typing or writing long notes during classes, then this video is for you. Today I am going to show you how Notta AI can help you to take notes from lecture without even typing. Yeah, that's right. You just sit and listen and Notta writes everything for you. Before we start, just a quick reminder. Make sure to check the description below. I have added links to try Notta for free and more tools and updates in case something changes later. Okay, so let's get started. So Notta AI is a tool that listens to audio and writes it down in text. It's like having a robot friend who never gets tired and never misses anything that teacher says. Now imagine you are in a lecture, maybe your teacher is talking fast or explaining something difficult. Sometimes you try to write, but by the time you finish a sentence and the teacher is already talking about something else, that's where Notta helps. With Notta, you just use your phone or laptop and just press record, and it listens to the whole lecture. After class, you get the full transcript, everything that was said in a clean text. No more messy notebooks, no more missing important points. If your school uses Zoom or Google Meet for online classes, it gets even better. You can give Notta the meeting link and it will join the class automatically, like a silent student. It listens, it writes, and after class, you get your notes. Simple. Now, one thing I love, it gives you a summary too. So if your lecture was 1 hour long, Notta will also give you the main points in a few short paragraphs. This is perfect for revision before exam. And you can also highlight parts and your own thoughts or search for words later. Let's say your teacher said something about photosynthesis. You can just search that by word and boom, it shows you where that part is in your note. And it even works for record videos. So if your teacher shares a record lecture or a YouTube link, you can upload it to Notta and it will make the notes from that format too. And if you study in a different language, Notta supports many languages: English, Spanish, Japanese, Hindi. It understands all. So basically, you don't have to worry about missing anything. You just focus on understanding and let Notta do the writing. If you want to try this, check the description. I have added a link to sign up. That is a free plan, so you can test it before buying anything. Thanks for watching, and if you know a friend who needs help in class, maybe send them this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.